A fantastic morning to you all. I hope everybody is fine and happy. Today we are going to see a new chapter, chapter 2, addition and subtraction. Today we are going to see addition. Okay. So let me define what is addition. The operation to find the total or sum of different values is called addition. Okay, so the word total or sum together, these words denotes addition. Okay, the numbers that are added are called addends and the answer is called the sum or the total. Okay, so while adding, we always start with the ones digit and moves towards left. That you know, isn't it? Fine. Now, we are going to add some numbers. Okay. Addition of larger numbers without regrouping. Okay. Find the sum of, you're going to read this, isn't it? So, how you will read it? You will first calculate, isn't it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Isn't it? Now you can read along with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Isn't it? So before you start adding, what do you have to do? You have to take and write the addends. Okay. So the both are addends. Okay. And we are going to find the total. Yes. So when you start, what I said, you have to start with the ones digit, isn't it? So you can take and write the ones digit first. Ones digit is what? 7. So 7, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1, 2. Yes? How will you read this? 21 lakh 30,317. Again I repeat, 21 lakh 30,317. Then next number you are going to start. So that also you have to start only with ones digit. So 1, 0, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay. Now we are going to add. Right? What do you get? 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 4, 7. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? How will you read this? How will you read this? 35 lakh 51,718. Yes? Fine. Next, we are going to see addition of numbers with regrouping. Okay. Now, what step we have to follow? First, we have to write the place value, isn't it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, isn't it? Yes. Now you read along with me. 27 lakhs 68,591 and 4 lakh 95,789. Is it clear? Now you have to start with the ones digits towards the left. Right? How will you write? 1, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 2. Yes? Next. See, you have to write carefully. Okay. So, next 9, 8, 7, 5, 9, 4. Okay. You should never start from this side. You have to start with ones digit. Okay. So, now we have to add this. So, 1 plus 9 is what? 10. Okay. So, 10 means what you have to write? This 0 you have to write here and the carryover 1. Understand? Yes. So 1 plus 9 is 10, 0 carryover 1. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18, 8, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3, carry over 1. Yes. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry over 1. Yes. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry over 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2, carry over 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Yes? Fine. I hope you can understand this addition very clearly. Fine. How will you read this number? 32 lakhs 64,380. Fine. Now we are going to see some properties of addition. Already you would have studied this. It's just a recall. Okay. Properties of addition. What is the property? When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. Any number you add, any big number you add to 0, you will get the same number. Yes? Fine. Next property is when we add 1 to a number, we get the successor of the number. Okay? Successor means what? The very next number. The predecessor means the before number. Right? So you are going to add here. How will you add this? 7,999 plus 1. So add what you get? 0, carry over 1. 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, carry over 1, 8. So it is 8,000. Right? Shall I say 8,999 plus 1 will become what? Very good, 9,000. Okay. So like that, it is what? When we add 1 to a number, we get the successor of the number. Fine. Next what we are going to see is, next property is commutative property of addition. A change in the order of the addends does not change the sum of the numbers. This is called the commutative property of the addition. To simply say what is commutative property, it is just changing the order. See, simple example is 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Yes, you know that 5 plus 3 is what? 8. 3 plus 5 is also 8. This means the commutative property. Understand? But we have done here an example of bigger number. Say, how will you read this? 43,220 plus 23,410. When you add this, you get 66,630. You change the order. Put the 23,410 first plus 43,220 is equal to 66,630. So these two are equal. We are coming to say that these two are equal. Right? So this property is called what? Commutative property. If you change the order of the addend, it does not change the sum of the numbers. Right? Now we are going to see another important property. A change in the grouping of addends does not change the sum of the numbers. Change in the grouping of addends does not change in the sum of the numbers. This is called associative property. Now I am going to give you a number. Together we can add and prove it. Okay. Imagine I am going to give 46,236. Okay. Plus 23,432. Okay. Plus 32,241. Okay. Now, what is asked here? A change in the grouping of addends. Okay. 3 set of number I have. Okay. I am going to change the group. Okay. So, first I group these two numbers. Okay. That is equal to the same number I am going to write, and I am going to change the groups. Okay. Same number I am going to write. What is the group? 46,236 plus 23,432 plus 32,241. Is it clear? Now I am going to change the group. If you change the group, here it is, these two numbers are being grouped, isn't it? Now I am going to group these two numbers. Okay. So first what you have to do? First I have to add these two numbers. I'll get an answer. With that I am going to add this. Is it clear? Yes. So first we will do this set first. So when I add these two numbers, or what I'll get, we have to add and see, isn't it? So I'm going to add here. Okay. You can also add very fast. Okay. So 46,236 plus 23,432. I'm going to add first. Okay. I'll get an answer. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. So I'll go and take it and write it here. 69,668. Okay. Now I'll write this number. Plus 32,241. Then I'll add these two numbers. Right? First I'll add these two numbers. With that answer, I'm going to add this. Is it clear? So I'm going to add this. With this, I'm going to add 32,241. Is it visible? Fine. So what do you get? When you add, what do you get? 69,668 plus 32,241. When you add, you will get 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry over 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So the answer is, so how will you read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Isn't it? 1 lakh, 1,909. So I'll write this. So 1 lakh, 1,909. Same way I'm going to do this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add these two numbers first. Okay. So I'm going to add these two numbers. What is that? 23,432 plus 32,241. So when I add, what do you get? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Isn't it? So now you take it and write it here. So when you add these two, you get 55,673 plus. What do you write this? First number 46,236. Now what you are going to do? You are going to add these two numbers. Yes? Shall we add? What do you get? 46,236 plus 55,673. So when I add, what you will get? 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. Carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So what is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 1 lakh, 1,009. 909. So that is equal to 1 lakh, 1,909. Yes. So now can you see? Both are equal. So change in the grouping of addends does not change the sum of the number. When you add is the sum, isn't it? So when you add, there will be no changes. The grouping is changed also. There will be no change in the sum of the numbers. Yes, I hope you can understand this. Next, we will do the exercise 3. Exercise 2.1 in the next section. Okay. Thank you, dear. Next, we will do exercise 2.1 in the next session. Thank you, dear.